Welcome back to Marcus at Work Media. Kendrick and SZA touched down in Lumen Field yesterday. Seattle, what up?
We love you. We love y'all. Seattle, what's up?
Beautiful, y'all are so beautiful, especially this rain. Y'all got special energy to be in the rain and turn up like this. Y'all are a blessing. Thank you.
Can we do one more joint for y'all?
Seattle came out big time, showed love for Kendrick and SZA, but that Seattle weather though decided to show them love with a cold, wet, rainy Seattle welcome.
You like our seats?
Yeah.
You like our seats?
We could be up there.
We could be up there. Now, we are covered. We really could be down there where it's wet and rainy and no coverage. Wet ass chairs.
I know when I got here.
We're covered.
So it rained a good portion of the concert, during the setup, before it started, during the show. But if we know one thing about K-Dot, he don't give about no rain. So my guy went to the stage and performed in the rain per usual, not giving two fucks. The show must go on. So let's get a little walkthrough of what the experience was like for some and see what it was like in Seattle.
All right, let me show you a top 10 night of my life. Not this part. This is the ghetto part, before the good part. The level of rain that was falling before this concert was biblical, bro. It wasn't even funny. And now we're walking towards the venue. The rain is chilling out. And then my watch hits me with this. And now it's starting to feel real. Now I'm really locked in. So here we are on the merch line. Very nice, very nice. Nice stuff, you feel me? A hoodie for $120? I mean, yeah, we got the hoodies. We got the hoodies. Sue me. I also got keychains. So yeah, we got our stuff and now we're walking up. This is my first time seeing the stage, right? We're vibing out. We're singing Miley Cyrus, you feel me? Type, right? Vibes are up. And then the car shows up and now it's getting real. But part of me was like, maybe this isn't real. And then the car door opened and then it was over. From that point, this is a top 10 night of my life. SZA live. I got to hear Control songs live. Are you kidding me, bro? It was so nostalgic. I got to hear Euphoria live. We kept looking at each other like this the whole night, like what is happening? I got to hear Like That live. I mean, come on, bro. Top 10 night of my life. This was pure cinema. I really have zero complaints. Also, I didn't get rained on at all. It was a perfect night. Shout out to everybody who was there. I hope you got home safe.
So it sounded like my guy had a great time. As he said, it was the top 10 best night of his life. But that $120 hoodie though, low on the high end, but you're already $200 in for the ticket, so just go on, grab the hoodie, bruh. We'll sort out the numbers after the fact. It's okay. We are here for the experience. You see, this other clip is a beautiful thing, right? Because it's always nice when someone outside of the culture knows the music like we know the music and connect with it like we can connect with the music, even though it may not be their life experiences that are in the song, but they connect with it. That's what I'm talking about, man. A little unity. Everything is so divisive right now. It's a good thing to have Seattle come out in different cultures rocking with Kendrick like that. We need that.
Hands down, Kendrick Lamar is the king of rap. After going to this grand national concert, this stadium concert, it's no doubt about it. And it's not even close. Kendrick Lamar is the biggest artist on the planet. He's the biggest one on the planet as of 2025. Really starting last year, but we're going to give it some grace. 2025, Kendrick is the king of rap, and he's the hottest artist on the planet. And when I say hottest, right, I'm talking about he has the most impact, he has the most influence, he has the most notoriety. You have to give it to Kendrick Lamar. Now I know Drake stans are going to be in the comments. He needed SZA. He needed SZA to sell this stadium tour. Yeah, I mean, having SZA there is a great addition. But based off of everything that I've seen last night, 85% of the people came there to see Kendrick Lamar. They didn't mind. Of course, people came to see SZA. I'm not taking nothing away from SZA. But most people there were there to see Kendrick Lamar.
They did the usual setup. Many of the performances, 52 songs, of course. This is a little bit of the 30 for 30 performance. Now we know SZA like to be a little loud with the outfits. She went to a red before. Right now she's in a bright yellow. I don't know if that's a play on it being raining outside. She got that rain yellow. All in all, a good performance. While we're on SZA, she did do the pop-up. A lot of people thought it might have been canceled due to the rain. So you had a few people in the beginning a little frustrated because they were waiting and it didn't seem like she were coming out. But she did pop up because she does not like to disappoint her fans. So she out there, security guard, trying to control the crowd. It was a good turnout. Lots of people was trying to reach for her, get things signed up, get an autograph, everything. But one individual asked for free tickets right when she was signing for something, and this is what she said.
SZA, I have a question. Me and my sisters weren't able to get tickets for tonight.
Oh no!
Could you look us up?
Got on the last two periods.
Thank you, SZA. I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. It's very nice of SZA to give out free tickets, especially the day of, right before it started. But she did give it out, and that's a good thing. SZA and Kendrick is all for giving back to the fans. What is the capacity of Lumen Field? Now, according to Google, Lumen Field, the seating capacity is about 68,000, but I think the concert, the way they had it configured, was somewhere around 50,000, which still not bad. 200 a ticket times 50,000, you do the math. They did all right. They did all right. Not include merch, because merch is not cheap. As they said, $120 for a hoodie, $50, $60 for a tote bag. Some of the t-shirts probably $60, $70. Yeah, the merch sales did all right too.
Hey now, say now, what about my nigga? Big shit, everything but pretend. Then it takes all my dirties in a bin. Let the honorary one for the win, for the win. You crash out, then you better break the backboard. I got fans so that they make the tabloids. You know the last one, nigga, he was Magneto. You play God, you gon' get what you ask for. We got the same 24, what you work for? I put a square on his back like I'm Jack Dorsey. It's how I feel if I make a public appearance. Look back at honest, cause I'm not too straight with niggas. 1,000, 1,000, oh.
Here's a little bit of SZA's performance. You know, she had the whole dress thing, even in the rain, man. She was suspended and she had to take flight, man. She had to take flight. Even in the rain, she had the dress drop off from this point here, man. She owned into the sky. Another successful sold-out Kendrick and SZA show, even in the rain, even in the cold, that didn't stop or slow down anybody experience. Now coming up, May 21st, 23rd, and 24th. Where are we gonna be at? In Inglewood. That's right, Kendrick's about to touch back down in the home state. It's gonna be crazy. Until then, catch you on the next review recap. This is Marcus at Work Media. Talk to you soon, and I'm out this bitch.